Hi everyone. This video is the introductory video to the course and the second video that you need to watch before completing the introductory quiz. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about the course in this video and hopefully answer some of your questions. Please read the syllabus thoroughly. It will answer a lot of your questions, and there's a lot of information on there. So make sure you read it completely. This is especially important for an online course. There are also handouts that I'll be posting online on Blackboard, including a handout giving you more specific directions for what I expect from the discussion posts. And that document is called Guidelines for Discussions, something like that. The textbook you'll be using is this one, Human Geography by Knox and Marston, and you can get the hard copy or the ebook. Hopefully you've already done this. And it also comes with e-content called Mastering Geography, and that is required. You will be watching some videos included there. You'll be using all sorts of different content on that website related to the chapters, and that information will be tested on your quizzes. You'll have exams. You'll have two exams. Week 3 and week 5 are the when the exams are scheduled. Okay, the introductory quiz will be one of the first things you do, and that introductory quiz is based on 3 things: the syllabus, my website, which I'm asking you to take a look at, and my videos that I'm posting. Both this video and the introductory, more personal video. The first assignment that you'll complete is the introductory assignment, and during this assignment you will create your own video of yourself, and it is more personal in nature. The reason why I'm assigning this is so we can get to know each other and create community in this online course where we don't get to interact in person. I have provided you with questions that you are to answer during your video, and they're similar to what I discussed during my personal introductory video. I recommend using Screencast-O-Matic or YouTube. Screencast-O-Matic actually posts to YouTube. It's just an easy, free resource that you can use. Let's see, so that video, any way you create the video is fine with me. Do it on your phone, use a GoPro, whatever you want to do, but post a video about yourself. And that is due by Tuesday the 23rd by 11:59 p.m., just before midnight. Then after you post your own introductory video, then you will comment at least twice on 2 different videos posted by other students, and that is due by Wednesday evening. Okay, so that's your introductory quiz and your introductory assignment. All of these are also explained in the week 1 folder. I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, the very first thing you should do is go to the section in Blackboard that I have labeled Start Here. That kind of lays things out for you of how to start into this course. And then you can go to the week 1 folder. So while all of this is going on, you should also be reading chapters 1 and 2 of the textbook. That is, those are the chapters that we're going to discuss in our first discussion in week 1. That will start after you complete the introductory quiz. You cannot start posting in the discussion of the chapter readings until you've completed the introductory quiz. Okay, and the discussions are meant to be interactive, so I want you to post an answer to a question initially. One of the questions I will be posting on each discussion. You may choose a question from chapter 2 or a question from chapter 1 and answer it. Then you should go through and comment on other students' posts, their answers. Right? So you want to go back and forth with each other discussing the topics. That's the point of a discussion, not to just do your own thing. Okay? So part of your grade will be determined on whether you're participating in a discussion. So the general rule for discussion posts is that you will post a minimum of 2 times per day, 4 days a week. That's 8 posts. So 4 days a week is traditionally Monday through Thursday. Don't require you to post on other days. However, if you want to get started on a Sunday, you can. Let's say week 2, you know you're going to be really busy on Tuesday and there's no way you'll be able to make any discussion posts. So you could post on Sunday, start a little early instead of waiting till Monday, and that can compensate for missing Tuesday. And remember, that rule is a minimum. That means if you post twice per day, 4 days a week, and that's all you do, that is passing. That means you'll get somewhere in the D range, possibly up to a C if all of those posts are high quality posts. And you can read what I mean by high quality posts in the handout called Discussion Guidelines. Week 1 is a little different because we have some other stuff going on in the beginning. So the guidelines for week 1 is 2 times per day, but only 3 days of the week. So you'll do 2 posts per day minimum on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Every week, the discussions close at 8 a.m. on Fridays. So you could be posting all night Thursday if you need to. You have all night. But at 8 a.m. on Friday, it's cut off. Okay? Next, I want to talk about your reflection project. For your reflection project, you're going to be creating a PowerPoint case study with lots of visuals, and I will give you guidelines for this as well. I just don't have it posted yet. And your case study, your PowerPoint case study, will be based on one of the topics listed in the syllabus. And each student will choose one topic. Topics cannot be chosen by more than one student, so once a topic is chosen, it's gone. And I'm trying to figure out a way on Blackboard that you can see when topics are chosen. I'm not sure exactly yet how I'm going to do that. There is a list of topics. It's plenty long enough. There's more than enough topics for all of you. What's going to happen is at the beginning of week 2, it will open up where you can start choosing topics. And by the end of week 2, you'll have to have chosen your topics by the end of Friday of week 2. But it'll open up on Sunday. So if you want to get the topic of your choice, log in on Sunday afternoon and choose your topic. The topics tend to be more controversial because that allows for better discussion, back and forth discussion and debate. Let's see, but I will give you more details about that in a document and a handout online on Blackboard very soon. Okay, if you have any questions for me, what you need to do is, first of all, read the syllabus, read the handouts, go through Blackboard, seeking your answer. Then, if you can't find your answer or you're confused, then go to the discussion forum called Questions for Professor and post your question there. That way, all students will benefit from seeing, from seeing the answer to that question. If your question is too personal to post in that public forum, then you can shoot me an email. You should know with my response times, if you post something in the discussion forum, I'll respond much faster than an email. I'm not going to be logging onto my email daily, but maybe once a day. I'll log into email probably. But Blackboard I'll be logging onto several times a day during the week. On the weekends, I definitely probably Sunday, but not Saturday. And maybe not Friday, starting around noon. I probably won't log in. So definitely use the discussion forum to ask me questions. Okay? I'm trying to think if I forgot to mention anything else. Let's see here. I think that's the basics. Yeah, just follow instructions that I give you on Blackboard. It's very important to pay attention to the instructions. This is an online course where you don't have the same kind of access to me that you would as if we were meeting 3 times a week in person. So really pay attention to the instructions and follow the directions and do things on time. It's really important you log in every day, at least Monday through Thursday, if not also on Sundays. Friday and Saturday you definitely have off. Sunday you don't have to if you don't want to. So I'm only requiring Monday through Thursday, but I'm requiring that you log on and do something each day, Monday through Thursday. If you don't post and you don't participate every day, Monday through Thursday, then you could earn a failing grade for those assignments. So if that's not possible for you, you may want to reconsider this online course, unfortunately. But that's just the way it goes. We need to be interactive and continuously discussing the content in order for you to learn it. And I hope that the Mastering Geography e-content will be valuable and useful, and we'll see. It's the first time I'm using this Mastering Geography content from this textbook, and we're gonna figure it out together if it's useful. I look forward to your comments, particularly about Mastering Geography e-content. Okay, thanks, and good luck in the course, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm looking forward to seeing your introductory videos and learning more about each of you.